Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make money on Instagram. So as you know that Instagram is a platform that will that will help you grow your audience, and you can also do a lot of things on Instagram. So here are some things that you will be needed to make money on Instagram. So the first one is affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing you can collab with different softwares and sell their products, and by adding their links to your post or your reels. So the second one is selling products. You can easily sell your products or either another company's products on Instagram. And the third one is selling services. You can sell your services such as we sell on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can also sell services on Instagram by showing your skill. So the fourth one is collaborating with brands. If you have higher audience, different brands will collab with you to increase their sales and reach. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.